Why transition from IT to cybersecurity?
The cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, offering strong job security and high salaries. IT professionals already have valuable technical skills that are in demand for security roles. Making the shift can mean more career opportunities, a chance to solve critical problems, and working on the front lines to protect organizations from threats.
Skills that transfer from IT to cybersecurity.
Networking, system administration, troubleshooting, and scripting are key IT skills that translate directly to cybersecurity. Familiarity with operating systems, cloud platforms, and database management also gives IT professionals a head start. Your experience managing real-world networks and resolving technical problems is a strong foundation for understanding and defending against cyber threats.
New skills and knowledge to develop.
To move into cybersecurity, focus on learning about threat analysis, risk assessment, common attack methods, security frameworks, and compliance standards. Gaining hands-on experience with cybersecurity tools such as firewalls, intrusion detection, and incident response platforms is essential. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CISSP can validate your skills and boost your credentials.
Building experience and finding opportunities.
Start by pursuing security-focused tasks within your current IT role, such as managing firewalls or auditing systems. Participate in online challenges, labs, or open-source projects to gain practical experience. Connect with others in the field through cybersecurity communities or local events. Entry-level roles such as security analyst or SOC analyst are great starting points.
Planning your transition.
Set clear goals for your cybersecurity career path. Whether you want to specialize in penetration testing, risk management, or defense operations, build a learning plan and update your resume to highlight your transferable skills and new certifications. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember that your IT background is a powerful asset as you move into the world of cybersecurity.